wrapped in love's caress, and the moments we remember, they interweave our hearts like a tapestry surrounding us that we forget to touch. It's why we wake up every morning. It's why we seek each other's smile. It's why we know that it's all worth it. It's why we hold on, we make the sacrifice. It's in the eyes of a child as you hold her in your arms, and your heart starts to beat once again, and your world is reborn in the freshness of her song. Smile, it's a beautiful life. It's in the hope of the poor man as he struggles to make ends meet. It's in the laughter of his children as they play in the street. Don't need $1,000,000 to raise a happy child. Just need a pair of loving arms, the time to make her smile. That's why we wake up every morning. That's why we seek each other's smile. That's why we know that it's all worth it. That's why we hold on, we make the sacrifice. It's in the tears of a friend as you finally make amends, and your soul starts to breathe once again, and the weight of the world falls away with one word. Smile, it's a beautiful life. It's in the touch of her lips as she leans in for a kiss, and your world starts to spin once again, and two hearts become one as a dream is begun. Smile, it's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. It's in the touch of her lips as she leans in for a kiss, and your world starts to spin once again, and two hearts become one as a dream is begun. Smile, it's a beautiful life.
Good afternoon, everybody. All right, a very warm welcome to one and all. Today we gathered here to celebrate a very, very important occasion, the best occasion for the beautiful family here gathered to celebrate the first Holy Communion of our little girl, Shannon. Masha, to start with, Masha, Wallan Tade Mache for Shannon for receiving Jesus for the first time.
You love it, you enjoy you. Never looks a different bring of my life. I'm sure I finish you. Singing, that's all we day. That's gonna party every day. Singing, that's all we day. That's gonna party every day. Still touching. Pretty girls stand up, minute tagging. Young girls stand up, minute touching.
Everybody at the count of 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Everybody will sing along. Come on everybody, please put your hands together for Sheldon. Indeed, a wonderful pop with no damage and no wastage.
So the greatest gift today is Jesus for you, who is come in your heart. And He is the one which we try to follow. ह्या वर्साचो आमचो विशय हांवें केला तशें तुमी करूंक जाय. जेजून केला तशें आमी करूंक आमी वावरता. जेजू दुसऱ्या सगळे मोवाळ आसलो, दोयाळ आसलो, दुसऱ्यांक आदार दितालो. तेच भाशेन आमी आमच्या जिवितांत दुसऱ्या सगळे मोवाळ, दुसऱ्या सगळे दोयाळ, दुसऱ्या सगळे काकुत्सार आमी जावंक आयच्या वर्साचो विशय आमकां उलो करता. आज शॅननान पवित्र कुमन्यांव पयलो कुमन्यांव तिणें आपल्या काळजांत घेतला आनी जेजूक ताणें घेतला आनी जेजू जावन आसा आमच्या जिविताचो माज. आमच्या जिवितांत पयली सुवात आमी दिवंक जाय. आज ताका सगळी कुशालकाय मेळटली, पूण व्हडली कुशालकाय म्हळ्यार जेजू ताच्या काळजांत घेवप. ही जावन आसा व्हडली कुशालकाय. शॅनन तूं आज ल्हान आसा. यू वील ग्रो अप. यू आर जस्ट बिगिनींग ऑफ युअर एज and you know what is good and what is bad also. So you must distinguish what is good as well as what is bad to you. And I congratulate you because you received the first Holy Communion in our church.
Good afternoon to one and all. Today I am very happy as I received Jesus in my heart for the first time. I'm thankful to my mommy and daddy for always being with me. Also to my family. And lastly, I would like to thank you all for coming to my communion.
Nic moja tmowa Zarte ja piace ed it's visrovneso durante già bosso che la tu so nirmolia karzak pet labito ruso rao tuji rani Rasamoso Motawan sa piccolo te abbia chatala Dovai taka nami Sobutila Donam Samoto Igona causa sala Ritlian fuoco tani casa La 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 Casa camcia Covid sogliang free I saw Carol now be so near Porosori Ben was a canso Rastova Chris Perry Open air casal Under the mango tree Below Jurameta Ancora risato Ravon Wiswasa Wiswato solo No che tratto Por fatto So bitfulato Papa spadi Equorato Lita tuca Ismodato